And here we go with another daily 8-track tape repair video show. It is Saturday, July 6, 2024. Today I have for you Surrender. Surrender, the self-titled album, 1979. And it features a barcode. This is probably one of the earliest editions of an 8-track having a barcode on it. Anyways, this outfit featured Alfie Zappacosta on the vocals. It kind of sounds like Toto and maybe like late 70s Tubes. We have the capital 2 tab configuration, so I just pry the tops and bottoms here. Then as I'm pressing down on this one, I've got it pried open a bit so there's pressure going out. Just like that. So we're looking pretty good. We've got a pad that's in no good condition, I'm sure. Let's have a look. See, there it is. Gonzo. All right, let's give it a try. See what I mean? It kind of rocks. Surrender, 1979. Have yourselves a great day.